Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to make a balloon archer. The first thing we have to do, of course, is fill out a bunch of balloons. I filled out about 5 packages of 30 balloons. So yeah, I had about 150 balloons. I got the air pump from Amazon, and it actually brought 4 spaces to fill out up to 4 balloons at the same time, which is awesome. This was actually my first time building this, and I did it for my birthday party. And it was a great experience, not only because I got to spend a lot of time with my daughter, but we also created great memories together. As you can see, all I'm doing here is taking 4 balloons at a time, and I'm just putting them together with the ribbon. As you can see, I'm tall, so I was able to hold the balloons as much as I could. However, you're welcome to place them on the floor, and you're able to do that just like I show here. On the next part, you're gonna be able to see I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought a bunch of flowers, some cardboard, glue gun, and we were able to design a flower wall, and it was awesome. At the end, you're gonna be able to see the results. This is how we were able to decorate our yard. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.